What's up, world? It's Anthony from Meineke, cinnaminson. It's Saturday. All right, so this is for all these people out there who want to not change their oil. So this lady came in today for an oil change, an engine light on, and an air conditioning inspection. So after talking to her, after we presented what was wrong with the car, we told her that the engine didn't have any oil in it, and I'm going to estimate about a quart came out of it. So the engine light was on for a hydraulic cam actuator for the intake side, which means either the solenoid's malfunctioning or there's not enough oil pressure to make the solenoid actually work. So in this case, I'm going to go with there was not enough oil in the engine to make the solenoid actuate. But she had one of these mobile guys come to her work and change her oil and told her she did not have to change her oil for 1 year. Yeah, I wouldn't recommend doing that. First of all, you want to have your oil checked regularly and never change your oil once a year. So don't believe the hype. Thanks for watching.